Okay, so I'm here with a new question, and the question is compromised site policy. Okay, hi Ali, have you experienced issues with compromised site policy? We had a problem last week, made the necessary changes, and removed links from the affected site. Google confirmed that everything was okay. However, after resuming ads, we are still receiving notifications about this policy. All our ads have been posted. Could you or your company can help me? Yes, we can help you. Okay, but let me tell you why compromised site policy errors appears. So if anyone sees this error, the chances are the error is due to the malware error on your website, adware pop-ups, nulled theme or plugin on your website, slow speed, showing yourself as someone else company, your website is hacked, search console errors, virus on your website, your payment checkout is not secure, your hosting IP is blacklisted, your domain or domain owner details are blacklisted. Okay, these are few of the major reasons why someone sees an error like compromised site policy, where malware error on your website has adware ad pop-ups, have installed nulled cracked theme or plugins on your website, your website has slow speed errors, or if you're showing yourself as someone else company. For instance, some people do is some do phishing with they try to replicate a bank and show themselves as someone else back. So that is not allowed. Your website is hacked, someone has hacked your website and changed the detail. There are errors on your search console, Google search console errors. Okay, there is a virus on your website, and your payment checkout is not secure. Let's say you're collecting payments on your website from your client and the procedure is not secure, or the Google thinks that it is not secure, or if your hosting IP is blacklisted, if your domain or domain owner details are blacklisted, either of the reason is why you may get the compromised site policy error. Okay, there may be additional reasons as well, and it varies from case to case. Yes, our company can help if you want me or my company assistance regarding this. We are a Google partner company with the name of AARSWEBS.com. You can find the details in the description of this video if you want to hire us for your Google Ads disapproval suspension or Google Ads management. Now, going back to your query, that once it's solved, why you are not able to run ads. Okay, the chances are that there is another error on your website which is causing this. Okay, what I recommend is try re-editing your ad copy to see if it gets approved or not. Okay, if it gets approved, that's very fine. If it's not get approved and you still get the compromised site error, the chances are that your website is not cleared from the Google radar. In order to get clear from Google radar, you have to use multiple softwares to determine all of the errors I have pointed in this, and then create a dedicated email to Google or reach out to Google support via chat, but chat is only for Google partners, and discuss with them regarding the changes you did on your website for the compliance. And then when Google will run a fresh scan on your website, they are going to restore it, and then you can run ads without any issue. You also said that you have bad links. So yeah, bad links on your website could be another reason. Bad links on your website is another reason why your website is suspended for compromised site policy. Bad links going to other websites from your website is another reason. Now, if you have sorted around all of these things, then you can run ads by re-editing your ad, or try changing your bidding strategy to run it. But if you try to run ad or create a new ad copy and get a suspension or disapproval error, then your website is still not compliant and there are issues. So, and you need to go through all of these things to sort it out. So I hope this answers your question. And if anyone needs a professional with Google Ads disapproval, suspension, or management, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Our name is arswebs.com, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.